Hello everyone, let us get a quick view of what is Power BI. So it is a data visualization and business intelligence tool. So it can help us to convert the data coming in from different sources and different types into charts and graphs. Also, it provides us with multiple software connectors and services. So when I talk about connectors, it is connecting to different sources so that we can load the data from anywhere and we can go ahead with the visualization. Also, it offers various services like Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service as well as the mobile Power BI app. No matter where we are, from any device it is possible for me to create as well as interpret the charts and the dashboards created by Power BI. Also, we can see that these set of services can be used by different business users to consume the data in the form of visuals and business reports. Let us know a little more about what is a Power BI Desktop and then we will go ahead with the installation. So, your Power BI Desktop is a visual data exploration and reporting tool which we can install on our desktop system and we can go ahead and use it. It is a freely downloadable 32 or 64-bit desktop application which optimizes for use with the Power BI service. Also, your Power BI Desktop integrates pretty well with Microsoft technologies like the Excel add-ins, Power Query, Power Pivot and Power View. And it can enable us in multiple ways to transform the schema and data. That means your data schema could be of any form, and if I were to transform that into any type of format, then I can do that with the help of Power BI. Also, it is updated on a monthly basis. Let's look at a small checklist which can enable a smooth Power BI installation. Firstly, we should have Windows 8.1 or Windows Server or later, or .NET 4.6.2 or later. We may have a Microsoft Edge browser or maybe even a Google would be fine, a Google Chrome could be better. Memory RAM should be at least 2 GB available with 4 GB or more recommended. So if you have an 8 GB or a 16 GB RAM, that could make Power BI run much smoother and faster. Also, the display should be at least 1440 by 900 or 1600 by 900, which is required. And the CPU should be 1 GHz and a 64-bit processor, which is better recommended. So these are some of the prerequisites that you can go through, and once you have ensured all of these, we can now go ahead and install the Power BI. So let's get started with installation. Alright, so for the purpose of installation, we will open a Google Chrome and let's go ahead and type Power BI desktop download, and let's go to the first link out here. Now, when you land at this page, you can go ahead and click on the download after selecting the language, or you can also check for the which type of file you need to download right here. So when I click on download here, it will allow me the option to select whether we want a simple Power BI desktop for 32-bit or we want a 64-bit. So let's load the 64-bit and click on download. So as soon as you do that, your download process is started and you can see that on the top right corner. And once the download has been done, we will then open the file and just click on the instructions so that we are able to download the same. So let's wait until the download happens. Alright, so now you can see that the file has been downloaded. Let's go to our downloads. So here is my file. I will click on the file. And here the application is open, and let's click on the select language and select English and then go to next. It will give you an option to make changes to the device, so we will click on yes. Now once again let's click on next. Let's accept the terms and conditions, go to next. This is the location where our Power BI desktop will be installed. So let's go to next and install. Now you can see that the installation process has been started. So once it has been installed, we will open the Power BI and look for the interface. So once we have done the installation of the Power BI, this is how we will see the interface. Thank you.
ExcelR. We don't just train, we build careers.